All-Clad HA1 hard anodized 10-piece nonstick cookware set. Get 15% off now. If you're looking for high-quality, durable, and professional-grade cookware, the All-Clad HA1 hard anodized 10-piece nonstick cookware set is the perfect choice. Known for its exceptional performance and long-lasting durability, this set is designed for both home cooks and professional chefs. And the best part? You can now get it at 15% off. Why choose the All-Clad HA1 cookware set? Superior hard anodized construction for durability. The All-Clad HA1 cookware set is made from hard anodized aluminum, providing superior heat distribution and excellent durability. This means your food cooks evenly with no hot spots, ensuring perfect results every time. And with 15% off, you're getting premium cookware at a fraction of the price. PFOA-free nonstick coating for easy cooking to clean up. The high-quality nonstick coating ensures effortless food release, making cooking and cleaning easier than ever. Whether you're making fluffy pancakes, searing meats, or sautéing vegetables, you won't have to worry about food sticking. And don't forget, this incredible nonstick cookware set is now 15% off. Versatile 10-piece, set for all your cooking needs. This 10-piece set includes 8-inch and 10-inch fry pans, perfect for frying eggs, pancakes, and quick meals. 2.5-quart and 3.5-quart saucepans with lids, ideal for soups, sauces, and boiling pasta. 4-quart sauté pan with lid, great for searing, browning, and one-pan meals. 8-quart stock pot with lid, perfect for large meals, stews, and soups. With 15% off, you're getting a complete cookware set that meets all your cooking needs at an unbeatable price. Oven and dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. The All-Clad HA1 cookware is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to start cooking on the stove and finish in the oven. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. With this 15% off discount, you can finally enjoy professional cookware with hassle-free maintenance. Compatible with all cooktops, including Induction. Unlike many non-stick cookware sets, the All-Clad HA1 collection features a stainless steel bonded base, making it compatible with all stovetops, including Induction. Whether you use gas, electric, or Induction cooktops, this set delivers top-notch performance every time. And don't forget, you can grab this high-quality cookware at 15% off right now. Why buy the All-Clad HA1 cookware set now? Hard anodized aluminum construction for durability and even heating. PFOA-free non-stick coating for effortless cooking and cleanup. Versatile 10-piece set to handle all your cooking needs. Oven and dishwasher safe for convenience. Compatible with all cooktops, including Induction. Limited time 15% off discount. Don't miss out. Get 15% off the All-Clad HA1 10-piece nonstick cookware set today. Upgrade your kitchen with premium, nonstick cookware that makes cooking effortless and enjoyable. And with 15% off, there's never been a better time to invest in All-Clad's exceptional quality. Click the link below to claim your discount before it's gone. Shop now. Insert link here. Hurry! This 15% off deal won't last long. Grab yours today.